Hello everyone, welcome in the new topic. So here we are going to know how content marketing learn how to create engaging and high quality content that attract your target audience and how it distribute and promote it effectively. Sorry for wrong pronunciation. Content marketing is strategic marketing approach that involves create and distributing values, relevant and consistent content to attract the retain and clear defined audience. The ultimate goal of content marketing is to drive profitable customer action. Here are some tips on how to create engaging and high quality content that attract your target audience. First, identify your target audience. To create effective content, you need to understand your audience needs, interests, and pain points. Conduct market research to identify your target audience and create biased persons. Second, choose your content format. Different content format appeals to different audience. Choose the format aligned with your audience preference and your goals. Some popular formats include blog post, infographic, video, podcast, and ebook. Well, ebook is the best option to earn money from that thing. You can also earn $1 million via ebooks. Well, it's very hard to write a book, but a hard thing will pay off you. Your hard work will pay off. 3. Develop a content strategy. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your overall marketing goals. Define your content topics, formats, and channel. Plan your content calendar and establish a publishing cadence. 4. Create high quality content. Your content should be informative, engaging, and visual appealing. Use relevant keywords and optimize your content for research. Engaging, make sure your content provides value to your audience and answer their question. 5th, promote your content. To maximize the impact of your content, you need to promote it effectively. Use social media, email marketing, and other channels to distribute your content. Engage with your audience and encourage them to share your content. Well, for that thing you have to create a different type and valuable content. You have to also give the value to your audience as shown in video. Well, 6. Measure your result. Track your content performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. Monitor your website traffic, social media engaging, and other metrics to see what working, what not. In summary, content marketing can be a powerful tool for attracting and retaining your targeting audience by creating high quality plus content and promoting it. If effective, you can build brand awareness, establish through leadership, and drive profitable customer action. Thank you for watching this video. If you got any kind of information or benefit from this video, you can leave a like for us.